Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about and understand the Quora Ads reporting. So here you can also run some custom reports to analyze your campaign's performance. Now, once you start running ads with Quora Ads and you see a lot of data coming in terms of clicks, impressions, CTR, conversion data from your campaigns, it becomes crucial for us to analyze this data to understand what's really working well and what is not in our Quora Ads account. And that is why data analysis becomes super crucial. And that is why we can make use of this reporting feature, which allows you to download data in different formats. So let's have a look at this, guys, how you can make use of it. So once you are on the platform, you can come to reporting, which is right beside lead gen. And here you can create a report. You can give it a name. And then you can choose recipients who will be receiving this report. So you can add their names over here. And then you can choose the report type. You want campaigns report, ad level, ad set, all that you can do over here. Let's say a campaign report, name of the campaign you can choose over here. Okay. You can also choose the time span. You want to create this report for last 7 days or 30 days. You can choose that. And you want the frequency of the report to be one-time creation or a recurring one. So if you're recurring, then do you want it every Monday or a particular weekdays there? So you can choose all of that. Once you select all this information, then we can create the report. This is how the report gets created, and automatically it can be built out regularly and then sent out to the recipients. I hope this makes sense. You will receive the report, you can download that, and then you can start analyzing the data and understand what would be the necessary steps to be taken on the campaigns in the future.